Good morning, grade 3. Happy Ramadan for all of you. Today's lesson is the lines. What are the types of lines and what are their relations? This is in your student book, page 304 and 305. First, what is the line? The line is a group of points that we put them together and beside each other, but they should be straight. This shape we call it straight line. This is the straight line. If it's not straight, we cannot call it line. For example, if I have a shape like this, this is not a line. Why we don't call this line? Because it's a curved shape. We cannot say that this is line. Now, if I have this line also straight, that has no start and no end, then I cut part of this line. I took a part from here to here. This is the part that I cut from the straight line. So I have another shape that has start point and end point. This we call it line segment. It has a start point, it has an end point. This we call it a line segment. It's a part of the straight line that has no start point and no end point. Part of it that has start point and has an end point, this we call it the line segment. Now, if we have also this line, and also I will cut part of it, but this time I will cut from one point and then took the whole side like this. So we will get a shape of this. It has start point but has no end point. This we call it the ray. So the line has no start or no end. It has no start and has no end. The line segment, it has start point and has end point. The ray has start point but no end point. So we have three types of lines: the straight line that has no start and no end, the line segment that has start point and has an end point, and the ray that has start point but no end point. Of course, any one of them can take any direction. Let us see different shapes here and we will label them. What if I have shape like this? This is also line. Yes, it has two arrows from the two directions, so this is a straight line. It has no start and has no end. What if I have like this? It has start point but no end point. This is right, array. What if I have another shape like this? It has start, it has end, so we call this line segment. So what if I have a shape like this? This is not a line, not a straight line, not a line segment, not array. Why? Because it's curved. So this is none of these. Also, what if I have another shape like this? Also, this is none of these types. So if it's not a straight line or a straight line segment or a straight ray, it's not, we cannot name it as ray or line or a line segment. So we know now the types of lines. Now we will take the relation between the lines. The relation between lines. The relation between lines. If I have two lines like these, two lines, they are lines on a flat surface that they never intersect, they never cut each other, like the railway lines. For example, we have the railway lines. They are always beside, they are always in the same distance between each other, they never cut each other. So this type of lines we call them parallel lines. If the lines that they never cut each other, we call them parallel lines. Again, they can take this shape. See, they never cut each other, so we call them also parallel lines. This is the first relation between lines. The second relation is when the two lines cut each other. If I have, this is my first line and this is the second line. See, they cut each other in one point. We call these two lines intersecting lines. Also, they can have different directions or different shapes. For example, I can have them like this. This is one line and this is the other one. Also, these are intersecting. So we have the parallel lines, the intersecting lines. The third relation we have here if we have two lines like this, they cut each other, but they form a square corner. When they cut each other to form a square corner, we call them perpendicular lines. So the relation between any two lines, they can be parallel, in which they never cut each other, and the second relation to be an intersecting lines that cut each other in one point, and the third relation is the perpendicular lines in which they cut each other but they form a square corner. These are the three types of lines, the three types of relation between lines. So I hope that you understood what we took, and you will be able to finish your homework and answer all your questions. Thank you.